Hello again. I'm back with another edits retrospective with the future plans for this channel, this time focusing on the music. I'm not sure when I first decided to make Thomas theme covers, but I've always liked playing guitar and piano, and then when I found a nice synth app on my phone to produce them, it seemed a good idea. I'm also a very big fan of the music in Thomas from series 1 to 7 especially. This is the only music I've made that I've ever publicly released, so it's nice to hear that people appreciate the themes. I released a video tutorial about how I make the covers of the Thomas themes just before I took my hiatus. I'll put a link to it in the video description, as that should answer any questions about how I make these. Alternatively, you can just go through my channel to find the video. If you want to download them, they're available via a link in the video description. They're free, but if you so wish, you are able to pay what you want. So far, I've released 7 themes, and I started on my 8th before taking a hiatus last year. That was to be the Scarlowy Railway theme, and I still have the work in progress file on my old phone, so I may well pick up that one again. I have loads of ideas about how I could handle future Thomas themes, and I would genuinely like to cover them all. I describe the genre mostly as lo-fi electronic. It's a style I really enjoy making, and I think a lot of the Thomas themes suit it. Aside from the Diesel theme I made, which suited an 8-bit sound, and the Fat Controller joke one I made, I reckon most future Thomas themes will continue in this style. As I said, I want to cover a lot more of the location and Thomas character themes, but from time to time I may well put out a non-Thomas cover when the mood takes me. That may be another thing I experiment with in the future in regards to other types of video. I think there will be some non-Thomas videos of various descriptions, but these will be in the minority and I hope of interest to at least some of you. The theme covers became a way to make my own beds for the videos, as in an ideal world I would be producing 100% of the material in them, and I didn't fancy using the music of others or stock music. However, people seem to really like them, especially the Viaduct, Watermill and Busy Station themes, so I've put out hour-long versions of these. I also got a request for a 10-hour version of the Viaduct theme, which I may well put together at some point. I'm always happy to hear ideas for theme covers, so don't be afraid to let me know if you have a fun-sounding project. For now, I just want to state my appreciation for Mike O'Donnell and Junior Campbell's classic themes, and look forward to making more relaxed covers of them in future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the Toad research video I released a few days ago. I'll have more research videos, as well as another few retrospectives coming out soon. Take care, and bye for now.